Good morning, Sarah Donovan, and today is day 6 of the Slice of Life Challenge that's hosted by the two writing teachers, which encourages teachers from across the country to do a little writing each day. I decided I'm going to do a little video clip of my day and then maybe do some writing after I reflect on the clip and the kind of things that I'm noticing in my day. So today is Wednesday. I've been having a hard time getting the day and the numbers straight. Today is Wednesday. It's March 6th. So Wednesdays mean mini lesson days in writing class. And so I'm just kind of looking on my schedule here, and we are learning about parallelism today, and we're also practicing our spoken word pieces. So back last quarter, every student, I assigned every student a topic or their grammar lesson. And some are working on sort of syntax, and some are working on diction. And they researched that. So of course, I could do these mini lessons, but I think it's important for the students to know how to go about finding the information that they need. So this student researched parallelism. I showed sort of the research process with citing sources and taking notes. And then the application process is most important. We don't want to teach a grammar skill out of context. So the student wrote a story using parallelism, created a quiz using Bloom's taxonomy. So I did a little lesson about that. And then works cited. So we're kind of working on MLA works cited. So this student did all this work back last quarter and then created a slideshow. And so today I really just kind of look, I can see he's on there too now looking at it because he knows today he's teaching the class. So I just kind of take another look at the slideshow. I look over the slides, check the font. Sorry, my nose is running. Hang on. Okay, and I just kind of look over to make sure everything's all set for his lesson today. The best part about the slideshow is this last part. So after he goes through his lessons and students take some notes on parallelism, he gives them a few writing options where then they can immediately apply the parallelism themselves. And this whole process takes about 15 minutes on Wednesday, and then we move into our other work. So all of the parallelism mini lessons happen in the notebook, and then we shift into our writing that we have in process. So right now students are working on spoken word pieces. These are really beautiful. What we'll do right after this mini lesson is we'll go to our spoken word pieces that we have on the blog and then proofread them, check for parallelism, and do some practice for that. So that's sort of a typical Wednesday in our writing class. And what I'm going to just do is kind of go through and check the other students' slideshow for today, make sure she's ready to go, and drink a little bit of coffee. I have about 12 minutes before the students show up and homeroom begins. So I'm going to just breathe a little and kind of get centered and ready to be attentive and in the moment for the day, and kind of just put aside any other tasks that I have on my mind. And then I'll also think about the fact that because today is Wednesday, it means I'm not teaching at another school this afternoon. So I'm going to go home from school around 12:30. I'll be home around 1:30, maybe take a little nap, get back to some writing that I'm working on, and look forward to dinner with my husband tonight. So I hope you have a great Wednesday, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for day 7 in a teacher's life. Thanks. And